In this video I'm going to be showing you how to draw an eating cat. I'm starting out with a circle shape and then a curved shape. And the circle shape is face downwards. And another tail shape. These are our main shapes. Then, as usual, I'm adding the details to the face and fixing some mistakes. And making the ears face downwards as our cat is eating. Adding some more details and a creative name for the cat, aka cat. And I'm going to draw the line art with a thick black marker. And when I'm finished with the line art, I'm going to do the coloring in the mouth, ears, nose, and the cat food. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more drawing videos.